Hi Room 4. Today I'm going to walk you through how to log in to the Renaissance Place portal. So, you will need to log in using the special link that I put for you in our Google Classroom assignment. If you just go to renaissanceplace.com, you will not be able to access our school's special link area. So please do not just try to go to Renaissance Place. You'll need to click on the link that is in Google Classroom. So once you click on that link, you'll get to a page that looks like this. It says, I'm a student, or I'm a teacher/administrator. You are a student. I will show you how to log in as a student. Click on the arrow button, and it'll prompt you to log in. That is my login. I will use one of yours to show you. Abracadabra. And our password for our class is ABC. Everybody's password is ABC. And then it is the first initial of your first name, and then the last three letters of your last name together is your username. And you should all have your usernames and passwords on your login card. Now once you get into your account, there is a button that says Star Reading. You'll want to click on it. And then you will come up on the testing page, and it will ask you to please enter the monitor password. And the monitor password is admin. That's ADMIN. And then you can click the word, or click the button that says start, and it will tell you that your test is about to start. And that is it. I'm going to go ahead and stop this test because I don't want them to take it just yet. But that is it. That is all you need to do to get started on your STAR test. Take your time with the 34 questions. Do your best. I can't wait to see everybody's reading levels. Your first STAR test of 3rd grade. Okay? Good luck. Do your best.